All right, man, we got steel I-beams, man. I never picked up this load before. This is my first time with it, and I ain't gonna lie, look at it, man. I'm kind of scared, no cap. Then this guy, he came out and he told, well, he was in one of those trucks. He told me that they put the two, so this one right here, well, no, this one. They added this one on to this one, you know, to have the load up to where it could slant in the middle a little bit. But then he got out the truck and he told me, he was like, man, why they didn't put a second board right here to where the top could slant up? You know what I'm saying? It'll be like a shape like this, you know what I'm saying? Like if I hit my brakes hard, this shit could potentially move, you know what I'm saying? It could move with a second board right here as well, but it's different when you got two boards right here, obviously, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just gonna have to be extra careful with it. You know what I'm talking about? And I'm about to go ahead and set this shit up and start throwing chains.
Most people do not engage in a methodical process of questioning, evaluation of assumptions, investigation, information.
I decided to play it safe and I shouldn't. In a hoodie with my face all crooked. Suckers hate, it's all goody. They just wanna say what you shouldn't, say what you couldn't do, but look it, they softer than pudding, sweeter than a chocolate chip cookie. So I punch they number like a bookie. They wishing they could cook me, they wishing they was fishing and could hook me. They wishing they could tell their man they took me, but looky, I'm always in protect mode. I keep my enemies, frenemies in a yes mode. I don't have time for these suckers that be in yes mode. You playing checkers, I'm sorry, but I'm in chess mode. Damn, laced up, check. Bags packed, check. Make moves, check. Sorry, mate. Laced up, check. Bags packed, check. Make moves, check. Sorry, mate, check.
The stakes are very high. Find the juiciest principles. I want you to think of yourself as a general standing on a battlefield. And your task is not just to win the battlefield that's right in front of you, but to win the larger campaign, the war that you've been tasked to win. Now the question is, what kind of a general are you? A successful general is a highly strategic general. He's the one that will win the battle and go on to win the war.
Black man, yeah, black man, yeah, what's up? Black, hey black man, yeah, what up, black, black man, yeah, I'm proud of you, brother man. Even when you fail, you find another plan. They cut it off and you say you got another hand. They cut it off and you say you got another leg. Man, running a quick sprint. They tell you that you can't do it, you say get bent. You about to pitch a tent, you about to build a fort, you about to get a brick. Other dudes did it slow and you did it quick. Other dudes did it foul, you did it legit. You be getting funky on them suckers, I'm feeling the scent. Let it air out, give them the vent. Everybody wanna see you fail, they feeling the burn. You tell them it's your turn. You been on it for a minute, this is your earn. You been on it for a minute, this is your score. Kept your mind on the grind and your money in the floorboards. A black man.
Alright, man, so there we go. I got two securements on it. Man, I'm gonna have to secure this thing like crazy. But I'm about to go to the staging area right now, get it done. And shit. Oh, why am I bringing this in here with me, man? And y'all let me do it. Y'all let me do it. See, that's what I'm talking about right there, man. Y'all don't really love me. You know what I mean? Y'all let me fuck everything up. But all right, man, let's go ahead and go. Yeah. Shit. All right. Thank you. All right. All right. Here we go. The load that I ain't never had before. Hey, this is the biggest, this is the scariest load I done had. But I did it. Y'all may as well call me the Denzel Washington of trucking. Cause I'm the best at what I do around here. Yeah, man. Let me go ahead and start unsecuring it so I can go and get up out of here, cause we going to Georgia. We going to Georgia. I'm in Indiana right now. I don't even know the city name. It start with a T. I don't even know the name. Listen, we going to Georgia, man. Let's get up out of Indiana. Don't nobody like Indiana. Yeah. Come on, man. Yeah.
Yeah, a black man. Yeah, a black man. Yeah, I'm proud of you, black man. A black man. Yeah, a black man. Yeah, a black man. Yeah, I'm proud of you, black man. You in the dog fight. You doing really good since you did this all night. Black man, I see you in a tight space, and they wonder why you always got a straight face. Black man, I see you with the gold grill, big chains, big rims on the old whip that is so ill. Go ahead, black man, I wanna see you win with that ill black tan. My brother, my keeper, this is for my people. I ain't got an ego, my G, cause I see you. Listen and believe me, my G, hey, we need you to feed all the people the knowledge that they seeking. Black man, Egyptian, and African, you ain't even know that. Don't forget you got a throne, brother. I rock with you, you ain't never on your own, brother. I love you, a black man. Yeah, a black man. Yeah, a black man. Yeah, I'm proud of you, black man. A black man. Yeah, a black man. Yeah, a black man. Yeah, I'm proud of you, black man. Black man, I'm proud of you, black. You an entrepreneur, you a go-getter, you a hustler, you a father, you a brother, you a family man, you a leader, you a hero, you a superhero, you at the top of the class. Tip your crown, brother, I see you, my brother. Oh, one more thing, black woman, I love you, black woman. You're a beautiful black woman. Keep being black, black woman. You glow, you shine. I'm yours, you mine. You beautiful, you fine. Good Lord, oh my, black man.
Yeah. Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights. Yeah, 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 yeah. Some fake, then who gon' hurt this? I naughty night, you lullaby. I'm doing me, it's do or die. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights.
right, let's get serious, you heard me? So this video, you see the title of the video, man. Some crazy happened to me the other day when I was at home during the little picnic, Mother's Day and shit like that I had going on. So we was out there, you know, on the ground having a little picnic, eating and stuff like that. And this feeling came over me, man. And it was really just, I just felt so happy. You know what I'm saying? I literally got up on my feet, and I was like, I looked at my girl because I play too much. I was like, I'm about to cry right now. You heard me? Because, man, all the stuff that I done been through in life, you know, I really am in touch with my little emotional side a little bit more and stuff like that. So I was like, man, I'm about to cry, you heard me? And she was like, boy, you know, stop, you know, chill out. And I just went on to tell her how good I was feeling. And it kind of felt like an out-of-body experience or some crazy shit like that. And you know, you hear people say that type of shit, and you be like, man, they just over-exaggerate, they just talking. But I wouldn't play by nothing like that, you hear me? Like, I really felt weird, because I felt so good. I never felt that good before. And if I did, it was probably college when I didn't have no responsibility, you know, living my best life and shit, you feel me? So, yeah, I felt so good and shit. And I was just telling her, man, I just broke my drone the same day. I broke my drone, and I'm like, I just broke my drone. But we got money to be able to buy another drone right now. Last year, we wasn't in this position. You know what I'm saying? So, and essentially, I turned a negative into a positive. Like, I just broke my drone. That's a negative. Last year, if I would have broke the drone, I wouldn't have had the money to fix it, which would have been a double negative. But God put me in a position to be able to fix my fucking drone the same day. A couple minutes after I broke it, I was able to buy another one. What do we sit here and be upset about? What do we sit here and be depressed about? Because that's my issue. I guess I just been lying to myself this whole time and shit, just trying to push through and shit. But man, with you being depressed, having depression issues and shit like that because of events that went on in your life, listen to me, man. Listen to me, because I'm a big ass hypocrite, but I see it now. Listen to me. Let it go, man. You got so much to be living for out here. God in the blessing business, man. You hear me? It seemed like in my life, the past year, everything, well, like 2 years maybe, a year or two, everything had to go wrong. Completely wrong. I'm talking about rock bottom, dirt. Everything had to go wrong for me to be in the position I'm in now. Dispatching business, educating myself on certain things, credit, Maverick, you know what I'm saying, being a truck driver, getting my CDL, all this good shit been happening. Everything just been going right. Ain't nothing went wrong. You know what I'm saying? There has been negative things, but when you condition your mind the right way, you stop seeing negative, and you start seeing the benefits that you can gain from that negative experience and shit like that. Man, if y'all don't take none from this video, find a reason to be happy, man. Gratitude. Wake up every morning, be happy for just being able to open your eyes up. You heard me? Be grateful for being able to get up out of that bed and stand on your 2 feet. Being able to grab the bed with both of your arms, all your fingers. Everybody ain't got this shit. It's literally, you was born this way. Some people born with nine fingers. You hear me? 4 on one hand and shit. You hear me? You blessed, bro. Like you got so many blessings, like that has been bestowed upon you and shit that you was just born with. You gotta count this shit, man. You just gotta keep on living and being thankful. Show gratitude. You heard me? That's what I want y'all to take out of this video. Stop being depressed because you got everything to be happy for. You got everything to be grateful for. Show some gratitude, dog. That's all I had to say, you heard me? Daddy Watts, too raw.